In the world of online business, affiliate marketing stands out as a powerful way to generate income. However, not all strategies are created equal, and many who try find themselves spinning their wheels. Here's a deeper dive into the essential levers that can significantly increase your affiliate marketing success. Number 1, choosing the right affiliate program. One common mistake is choosing affiliate programs that offer minimal commissions. Programs like Amazon might be popular, but they're not always the most profitable due to their low commission structure. To truly capitalize on affiliate marketing, opt for programs that offer higher payouts. Think a minimum of $250 to $1,000 per sale. These kind of items might seem daunting at first, but they are where the real money is. Moreover, don't overlook programs with recurring commissions. These can provide a steady income stream from a single sale, enhancing your earnings over time without additional effort. Number 2, optimizing for buying intent. Understanding and capturing buying intent is critical in affiliate marketing. Your goal is to attract visitors who are not just browsing, but are actively ready to make a purchase. This requires tailoring your content and promotions to answer the immediate questions a potential buyer might have, and showing them that the product you recommend is the right choice for them right now. Number 3, choosing a hot evergreen niche. While trends come and go, evergreen niches remain perpetually relevant, providing a constant stream of potential customers. However, choosing the right niche is often underestimated. The key is to find a niche that not only interests you, but also has a large enough audience. Health, wealth, and relationships are classic examples of evergreen niches that have large, ongoing demand. Number 4, the pitfalls of low-quality programs. Many new affiliates are tempted by the sheer volume of products available on platforms like Gumroad, but this can be a trap. A lot of these products offer poor commissions and have subpar sales copy, which makes them hard to sell. Instead, look for products and services that have irresistible offers, a combination of excellent product, compelling copy, and a strong value proposition. These are the offers that can practically sell themselves. Number 5, the importance of a solid sales funnel. An often overlooked aspect of choosing an affiliate program is the quality of the sales funnel behind the product. Even the best products need a strong sales funnel that includes upsells, downsells, and potentially recurring memberships to maximize revenue. When selecting an affiliate program, consider how well developed their sales funnel is. The best programs will not only provide upfront commissions, but also pay you for the back-end sales generated from your referrals. Number 6, the role of the affiliate. The primary role of an affiliate is not to sell. That's the job of the landing page and the sales funnel. Your job as an affiliate is to drive qualified traffic to those pages. This means your focus should be on creating high-quality content that attracts readers and gently guides them towards the affiliate offers, whether through SEO, email, content marketing, social media, or paid ads. Your ability to target and attract potential buyers is crucial. Number 7, debunking the saturation myth. Many people shy away from affiliate marketing, thinking the market is too saturated. However, saying that affiliate marketing is saturated is like saying the field of sales is saturated. It's a fundamental misunderstanding of the market. There is always room for innovation and for new affiliates to succeed, especially if they are willing to employ the right strategies and differentiate themselves from the competition. Number 8, leveraging expertise and resources. The best affiliate programs offer more than just commissions. They provide resources that can help you succeed. Look for programs that offer things like converting promotional templates, detailed funnel maps, and clear insights into their conversion metrics. These tools can significantly lower the learning curve and increase your chances of success. Conclusion: affiliate marketing is far from being a noob's game or a saturated market. It offers a robust platform for those willing to invest the time to learn and apply these critical levers. By choosing the right program, optimizing for buying intent, selecting a lucrative niche, leveraging strong sales funnels, and focusing on driving qualified traffic rather than hard selling, you can build a profitable affiliate marketing business that generates real, sustainable income. Dive deep into these strategies, avoid common pitfalls, and watch as your affiliate marketing efforts turn into a substantial revenue stream. If this video helps you, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and click link in the description for more.